Òkodoro Yorùbá tẹlifíṣàn ẹ̀ṣọ́ ní mara igba lé àṣà ní fa orílẹ̀-èdè sókè. Òkodoro Yorùbá tẹlifíṣàn kí ló fẹ́ tó bá ń bẹ̀. Ìdí ọdún là bẹ́lẹ́jọ́ máa wò ó níbi gbogbo àti nígbà gbogbo ohun ọ̀tún dúró dè ọ́ ń bẹ̀. Òkodoro Yorùbá tẹlifíṣàn.
I will ask ALHAJI Kolington when I have the privilege. But
guess what?
Yeah.
Wọn kì í jà. It's just marketing strategy.
No.
Believe me, I always be with them. My dad and Kolington together. My dad, when he wants to create FUJI music, Kolington doesn't want to be a musician at all. Barrister went down to pick him and said, "Oh, Kola, let's be doing this together. I'm making money on this." Okay, you now tell him that tábà ṣe kíní yìí báwo la ṣe pẹ̀lú àwọn bàbá òbí Haruna Ṣọlá Yusuf Ọlátúnjí gbogbo wọn tó wà ń bẹ̀. Barrister now told Kolington in front of me, we sat together. Even one of my dad, my PRO is there, Edada Yodeyemi. So every time my dad goes to Kolington's house, always take me along. You know, then you now tell Kolington that, you know what, the way we can spring up among these people, because in me,
ma bú mi,
ma ṣá ma bú mi. Tó bá ti ń bú mi, a ma divert attention àwọn èèyàn sọ́dọ̀ wa. So, but a lot of people don't know that marketing gimmick làwọn méjèèjì jọ ń lò. But you now get to state that, oh, Kola, we have get what we want to get already. We are famous, we are this, let's stop this.
Okay.
But Kolington said, no, I can't stop. That what kind of music you want me to be singing now? I don't know how to sing any other thing that to be cussing. So that's what he said that day. ALHAJI Kola aloti I need there more. Then when he doesn't listen, ALHAJI now go to studio. He's just joking in studio about the song that Chetori mo pe e lore. Chetori e lo se wa ri mi fin. Njalara o tan boro. Ahun ju lo o se wi lejo. Koro gbá lẹ́nu ẹ̀ ó bó sọ ọjọ́ kan mú ojú ẹ̀ kó yá fún mi lọ́wọ́ mi àbúrò má fi mi tajà máa ayé ti gbọ́n. You know, after that, Kolington go back to studio again and reply him. I told you that the daddy, I told you don't sing that song. The day he sing the song in the studio, I said, Daddy, this song is going to cause a lot of issue again.
And
I walk out from the studio. Because of that, I know Kolington is going to reply him. That album of ALHAJI Kolington is back to sender. It caused him to the extent this man is weeping.
Oh, I think that was in the late...
No, before he died.
Yeah, that was what I was saying, in the late 2000s.
Yeah,
yes.
Like 2009 or 2009.
Yes.
So,
it was quite...
So they are so close, but people don't know that. But you're outside there, you see all these fans, what they are causing is much. Oh, if you are listening to them, it's something else.
So, what time when ALHAJI was singing, kò sẹ́ni tó sọnù nínú wa, kò mà sẹ́ni tó sọnù nínú wa. They were just playing.
That's it. For real.
Oh my goodness. You know, I tend to want to believe you because every time I see ALHAJI Kebe now, ALHAJI Kebe, every time I see ALHAJI now, he's always referring to Ọ̀rẹ́ mi Síkírù.
There are 5 and 6.
I always say,
since Barrister is there, Kolington is not himself anymore.
You can see the sadness in his face.
Yeah.
So what I always think is that Ọ̀rẹ́ mi Síkírù times of
you see?
So it turns out they were...
It's just about business. That's it.
Ìdí ọdún là bẹ́lẹ́jọ́ máa wò ó níbi gbogbo àti nígbà gbogbo ohun ọ̀tún dúró dè ọ́ ń bẹ̀. Òkodoro Yorùbá tẹlifíṣàn.